This is the charge. Then and it goes fast and the lights come up.
What? Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Where are the lights at?
They're at the top. Yeah.
Oh.
And they show you it right here.
Oh, those are lights too at the top?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
They show you it too.
That's nice.
And this is the person waiting for the kid to get in the car.
Mm-hmm.
But he's trying to open the other back, but he can't. There's no seat. Oh, there's seat. There's seat right here.
Mm-hmm.
There's seat here, and here's the key. Here's the driver.
That's a key?
Yeah, the key.
That's a big key too. I see another key.
That's a big key. It will show you it because you gotta look at it. You gotta draw it.
Oh, okay.
So you can see it closer.
Mm-hmm.
If you don't see it closer, you can't see it.
Okay.
So,
Is that it? Anything else you have to say about your picture?
yeah. There's a thing. There's a name on it right here.
Oh, what's that say?
There's peoples too that show you.
That's the Honda H?
No, it's just Honda 9.
Oh, Honda 9?
Honda 9.
Oh, okay. Okay. Is that it?
Yeah, and this is like a tent thing for the tent.
Oh, tint the windows?
No, it's a tent thing.
Oh. Where's that?
Right here.
I can't see it. I can't see it.
You see it?
Point at it. Oh, okay. I see
Tent
it.
thing.
Okay.
So,
All right. Is that it?
yeah.
Okie dokie. That's Malik's picture. Thanks.